In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Oanda demo to TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to tradingview.com, sign into your account, hover over products up here and click on super charts. Now, after you're in here inside your charts, down here at the bottom, you're going to have to click on where it says trading panel. It's going to open up, make it a bit bigger. And here under their brokers, you're going to have to find Oanda, which usually is somewhere here. If you can't see it, click on all brokers and then find it over here somewhere in between. It should be there pretty much guaranteed. Now click on Oanda and then here you'll be able to see you can actually go ahead and connect. So click on connect. And then to actually be able to connect to TradingView, as you can see for me, it's saying that it's not supported account. If it's saying that for you as well, what basically means is that you actually don't have a real account. So to be able to do this, you can't connect a demo account, but you can connect a real account. So if you don't have one, click on open account. And then up here, as you can see, you can go ahead and create a new account. If you try to create a demo account, you can do that too, but unfortunately, you won't be able to connect it to TradingView. So what I would recommend is if you actually want to connect to Oanda and of course, use your real money on the real account, you can go ahead and do that. But if you actually want to trade demo, it's pretty much the same if you just go ahead and connect the paper trading from TradingView, because you can't connect a demo account from Oanda. So just go ahead and click on paper trading up here, and it's going to connect you to their paper trading where you can go ahead and basically demo trade. And of course, this is not connected to Oanda. You can't actually connect a demo account to Oanda. You can only connect a real account. But if you'd like to trade with demo money inside TradingView, this is basically the second best thing. Or of course, connecting another broker which does support demo trading on TradingView using their charts. So those are the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.